Hi, my name is Tim Osler. I'm the Head of Marketing here at GFT, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Shilpa Doreswamy, our Sector Director for Retail Banking, for another of our GFT Insights videos. Shilpa, welcome.
Thanks, Tim. Great to be here.
As many of you will know, GFT has been operating for over 35 years globally, and we're now in 20 countries with over 12,000 specialists, helping our clients with their business transformation, focusing predominantly in financial services. We service customers in investment banking, asset and wealth management, retail banking and insurance, but we're also extending into manufacturing and pure retail as well. We deliver services that help our clients with their digital transformation, bridging the gap between the business and their needs and the technology implementation. And bridging that gap can be quite challenging, but we have the skills to help our clients in areas such as cloud transformation, platform engineering, AI and data, services that are becoming increasingly in demand. So I'm delighted today to be joined by Shilpa to talk about some of the things that she's been focusing on and the retail banking team have been focusing on with our clients. So can you tell me a little bit more about some of the things that you've been helping clients with recently?
Sure, Tim. So we've increasingly been recognized in the market as platform modernization and engineering specialists. We are one of very few technology services providers to have successfully built and implemented 18 plus neobanks globally. In addition to that, GFT have always invested in the right capabilities, in partnerships, and building their experience and credentials aligned to some of the key technology waves, including cloud transformation, platform modernization, and of course, AI and data.
Thanks very much. So what are the key trends that we're seeing right now in the retail banking industry?
Interestingly, customer acquisition and customer retention seem to be top of mind for our clients. However, there's an increasing focus on business resilience, on modernization through digitization and innovation. Business resilience, interestingly, because a number of our clients have a significant amount of legacy tech stack. We're seeing an increasing complexity and interconnectivity between financial markets, institutions, and technologies. Our clients have an ecosystem of a number of vendors, a number of third-party tools and technologies. So any sort of disruption, any sort of outage can have far-reaching, widespread impact, especially in the context of customer trust, as well as liabilities from a regulatory standpoint. So business resilience is increasingly becoming a focus for our clients. In fact, GFT will soon be releasing the Business Disruption Index, which covers exactly this topic on resilience, which is a very interesting read. Some of the other trends that we're seeing are modernization through digitization, like I mentioned, where there's a constant changing demographic of customer profiles. There's a constant demand from customers for user experience. So our clients are striving to drive a lot more agility and adaptability to be able to take products faster to market, to meet customer expectations in terms of user experience. So there's a continuous investment in modernization through digitization, and the route to achieving that is largely through cloud adoption and adoption of cloud-native technologies, platforms, and solutions. Then if you look at the innovation side of things, of course, we're seeing a whole bunch of new digital assets. For example, I have to talk about AI, of course, where clients want to leverage the benefits of AI in the form of employee productivity or process efficiencies or even enhancing user experience. So a lot of these new and nascent innovations that we're seeing require very robust risk regulatory frameworks, guidelines, and guardrails for a client to be truly relevant in the context of the future. We're also seeing a lot of investment in open banking and fintech integrations, because clients want to build very robust marketplace offerings for their clients, and they want to take data-led services to their clients, improve customer experience, because together it helps to foster innovation and competitiveness equally. So these are some of the trends that we're seeing in the market.
That's really interesting, but can we talk about some of the challenges that the banks might be facing as they try to forge that path ahead?
Sure, Tim. As the banks try to align to some of these trends, they are tackling some of the challenges, especially around their legacy technology stack, which is only hindering their ability to move at speed and at pace. At the same time, the challenger banks, the neobanks are chipping away at the mind share of these incumbent banks. Also, technology skills that are required to run, manage, maintain the legacy platforms and legacy tech stack, the skills are only diminishing. And hence, it is becoming increasingly imperative for banks to modernize through digitization, and the route to achieving this is through adoption of cloud and cloud-native technologies, tools, and platforms. However, the adoption of cloud comes with its own costs and also the ROI of future cloud investments and efforts. So we're seeing a lot of solutions around FinOps, finance on the cloud, picking a lot of traction. In fact, GFT, we are having a number of interesting conversations with clients. We've in fact delivered programs on FinOps to enable and help our clients maximize on their cloud investment efforts. Then if you look at customer experience, for example, banks are focusing a lot on ensuring the right information to the right customer at the right time, the segment of one that we call it. Data and AI are becoming very integral as an enabler of driving this customer experience. And banks therefore are at the juncture where they're trying to understand which AI use case should we be investing in, because these AI use cases need to be relevant, they need to be scalable, they need to be rigorously tested. So a number of these aspects are what banks today are tackling.
Thanks very much. Very insightful. I mean, you mentioned some of the technology trends that will continue to evolve in 2025 and beyond. And how is GFT gearing up to help partner with our clients on that transformation journey?
So like I mentioned a little earlier, GFT have made the right investments in capabilities, in partnerships, in building the right experience and credentials aligned to some of the key technology waves that we've seen, primarily cloud transformation, platform modernization, and of course AI and data. So if you look at cloud, we've built certified practitioners who have worked across a number of cloud modernization, cloud transformation programs globally. And just to share a few data points in the context of some of the deep partnerships that we've built with our cloud service providers, we are a gold partner to Microsoft. We have worked very closely with Google on a number of POCs around Gemini, Vertex AI. We have also been recognized by Google as a highly commended services partner for UK and Ireland. At the recently concluded AWS reInvent, we picked up a few awards. We were recognized as the Global Innovation Partner of the Year. We were also recognized as the Industry Partner of the Year for Financial Services in EMEA. So just to set some context in the context of cloud transformation. If you look at platform modernization, again, like I mentioned, we're one of the very few service providers globally who've successfully implemented and built 18 plus neobanks across the globe. On the back of it, we have a number of very well established neobanking centers of excellence where we have very structured resourcing, we have very structured training programs. In fact, Salt Bank, Romania, which is our recent success story, we built a fully functional multi-currency digital-only bank in less than 12 months. We also partner with fintechs. We've partnered with clients to help build very robust marketplace offerings. We also work very closely with our software vendors like Denodo, Snowflake, Salesforce, Harness, Palo Alto, to name a few. On the back of our significant credentials in neobanking, we've built a number of accelerators and frameworks which have helped us to take very holistic solutions and offerings, delivering a lot of value for our clients. Then, of course, the wave of AI and data. GFT again has made the right investments. We launched AIDA, the marketplace, AI and data marketplace, which really is a one-stop shop, a toolbox for clients to be able to assess their AI maturity, to be able to identify AI use cases, to be able to accelerate beyond just a POC, for example. In addition to that, GFT have also launched the AI Impact tool, which is a very impressive offering. This AI Impact offering aims to optimize the SDLC process, where it eliminates tech debt, it helps to improve developer productivity, and it helps to also automate certain processes of the SDLC, in some cases even delivering 90% efficiencies. So it's a very impressive tool, and it's picking a lot of traction in the market. So in a nutshell, if I have to put it, if you're thinking transformation, think GFT. and together we can go beyond.